let's check this out. Total prepare, 12 meals ready to eat. Let's see what's inside. Each of these is little packets. Each packet, this is maple brown sugar oatmeal kit. This is maple brown sugar. This is maple brown sugar. Maple brown sugar, so it's all breakfast. Chicken pasta. Chicken with brown rice kit. Oh, this is chicken parmesan, okay. This is lentils with beef. There's lentils. Chili with beans. Chickpea. Chinese tortellini and tomato sauce. Vegetable stew, beef, and turkey chili with beans. And you know what's funny thing I just noticed in here? Look at this. There's a Tootsie Roll in here.
Yeah, every single one.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Ranch, chickpea. So it looks like there's a bunch of different stuff in here to make up your meals.
And there's dessert. And the dinner ones.
Is there?
Yep.
Well, that's probably so you probably have your lunch, breakfast, and dinner. So yeah, there's a Tootsie Roll in here.
What's a Tootsie Roll? It's kind of like root beer?
No, it's a chocolate bar.
No, it hasn't been a chocolate bar.
Yeah. Cheese spread.
It's kind of like caramel.
It includes utensils.
What?
Flameless heater. So there's a fork and knife in here.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh yeah, right there. Fork, knife. There's a napkin in here.
What? Are they metal or just plastic?
Actually, let's open one and find out.
Eat it?
No, we're not going to eat it right now. Let's open one and see what's in here. So I'm just going to put these back for now. And let's open this one actually. I'll finish putting this back in here. These kind of meals are perfect for your overlanding, your off-road, whatever life it might be that you're living, because you've got everything in here. And being that it's dehydrated helps out a lot. Okay, so let's see what's actually in this. So flameless heater, meal heater. So you put a bit of water in here, and there is a heater pad. So this heater pad, you'll put inside here. Steam comes up, you put your meal in there with this in water, and it will actually cook this, which is actually really a cool idea if you don't have a stove or whatever. There's a beverage here. What is this beverage? This is awesome. I don't want to open everything because then things just get lost. And this is cheese spread. Here's your fork, and here's your spoon. Typically all you need anyway, really. A spoon and a napkin with a bit of pepper and salt.
Salt and pepper.
Here's your recovery trail mix with pretzels.
Pretzels? I don't care about pretzels.
Applesauce with raspberry puree. And bread single. Pilot bread.
Oh, that's like thin bread.
Yeah. But it's kind of cool how everything is individually packed for this. So this is your complete meal for one person. There's a Tootsie Roll. Okay, fine, I'll open this.
Yes!
No, it doesn't mean you're having it.
I'd like to roll.
I'm curious what the drink is and stuff. So, stop, please.
Okay.
This is an orange-based drink. Contains canteen. So this is an orange drink of some sort. It's got some mints in here. It's got 2 Tootsie Rolls in here. It's got instant coffee. It's got coffee mate. And then your heating pad.
Another heating pad?
Huh?
That's good. Like 3 heating pads.
No, there's only the one heating pad. You saw the side of it before. But yeah, so basically what you do, that tells you right here. So you open the pad, you open heater pad, place heater inside bag, insert pouch, add water, carefully remove once it steams, then carefully remove. So yeah, you just basically open this up, put your pack in there that you're gonna heat up, which would be this. What is this anyway? Chicken.
Shiny.
This is chicken.
Chipotle. Chicken curly with brown rice
meal. So yeah, so this would go into here with the heater pad, and this will actually cook itself in here without boiling water. This is awesome. So this stuff is all done by Total Prepare. This is actually a company out of off of Vancouver Island, and we look forward to actually trying these meals now.